What is up, y'all, and welcome back to Qui Nichelle on the channel. Y'all know we talk about fashion, beauty, and life. And y'all, I'm bringing y'all such a random video. Before we get into the video, make sure that y'all do like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, y'all know to tell a friend about Qui Nichelle, because y'all know how we do on the channel. So y'all, literally, I'm bringing y'all an impulsive, extremely impulsive buy. I know y'all been seeing these little dumpling thingies on TikTok. If you've been on TikTok, I don't know if they've been on YouTube or what, but y'all, when I'm on TikTok, when I tell y'all, it's so many people that got these little dumpling thingies, and this is so impulsive and so childish of me, but I just had to get like some of them. And I went to Five Below to get them, and they have like a 3 limit per person per day or something, which I'm not buying anymore. I literally just wanted to get these because when they squishing them, they just seem so interesting, so I impulsively went and got some. Y'all, I'm just a girl. But anyway, I paid $7.68. The little ones were $1. I figured I'd get the little ones because they could fit right in the palm of my hand. This is a kind of big one. Y'all know they do got the gigantic one or whatever like that, but anyway, it's just an impulsive buy. I don't really care about these things, at least I don't think so. The rare one, I guess, these are metallics. I'm gonna open them up. And the only thing I do with this one, these are like the glitter ones. I do want the glitter one. I do want the glitter one. But if I don't get it, of course, it ain't gonna matter. But it's just something to do. And like I said, this is 1000% impulsive. And y'all, I got a little knife with me. And I guess these supposed to be the real ones that say RMS. I don't care if it's real or not, because I think they're selling these at other places or whatever. So I'm literally just following a trend. And I'm gonna open them all, then I'm gonna open them, you know. So hopefully I get a glitter one, a pretty pink one or something like that, or I think it's like a purplish periwinkle color that's glitter. Hopefully I get that. And then with these, I think the little ones are metallic, mini metallic mystery. So I don't know. I guess the gold one is supposed to be the rare one for the little one. And then for the big one, yeah, purple holographic dumpling is supposed to be the rare one for this big one. So hopefully I get that one. And y'all, they got, you can't even, well, in my Five Below, they had a lady like at the door handing them out if you wanted them. Because they said people was getting like a whole cart full of them, whatever. I know it's the new craze, but I know I'm not going to do nothing crazy like that. But anyway, we're going to start with the first one. Okay, that's a cute, like peach looking color. Peach. Yeah, I guess it's peach. It looks peach. And these don't have a face on them. They are kind of cool though, y'all. I just wanted to squeeze one because people have been going crazy over these. So it's just some kind of liquid in it. But it is kind of cool just to squeeze it though. And it smells like a chemical. But anyway, I got this little peach one. It's cute. And y'all, who knows? I may end up giving these away. I don't know. So we're going to do the other look. But I got 2 of the same ones. But anyway, it's just a little dumb toy. But hopefully I got the rare one in this one. We're going to do the... Ugh, this one is ugly. I got the worst one you could get. This one looked like a real dumpling, the color and all. Where's the paper? Yeah, I guess this is the tan one. This one looked like a real dumpling. Oh well, I just wanted to, and now this one got a clear liquid in it. I just wanted to get these to squeeze them, because they're making them look so cool. When they squeeze them, maybe like a stress ball, I guess. Is that what this is supposed to be? But anyway, y'all, this was a very impulsive buy. Literally just wanted to do something. But I like the little smaller ones better because they like palm size though. You know what I mean? I guess it make a little crazy noise or what have you. And these don't have a face. The little bitty ones don't have a face. And this one does. They smell very chemically. I don't even know if kids should be playing with this mess. It smells very chemical. Like you can smell the chemical strong. This one don't smell like it, but the little ones, they smell real chemically. But anyway, that's the little face. And y'all let me know if y'all's kids or grandkids have been asking for these. Have y'all bought any, being childish like me and just being impulsive, wanting to squeeze one or whatever? Because y'all, this is some random mess for me. But anyway, I only spent $7.68. Nothing, you know, too extreme. And yeah, this one don't smell too chemically like the other one. And it feels kind of thick. I guess like a dumpling for sure. And they claim the ones that have the RMS are the real ones, honey. I don't know. They had some called a shark dumpling as well. And they didn't have those in my Five Below where this little container is blue. I would have got one of those probably. And then too, the lady touched it. She probably ain't got good luck is the reason why I got the ugliest dumpling. And then two of the same. She should have let me touch them myself. She might got bad energy, y'all. But anyway, I just want to bring y'all a little random impulse buy childish video. I'm just a girl, honey. But y'all let me know if y'all are buying y'all children or grandkids these little dumpling toys. If y'all are into them as adults. Have y'all impulsively bought one like I did? Or y'all really into them heavy? Because some adults are really into them from what I can see on TikTok. And then they got the giant ones. I think those are $20 or something like that. I didn't even check to see if they had those. But I knew I didn't want to spend a lot of money on like a random impulse buy. But anyway, y'all, that's this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe. And leave it in the comments if y'all into these little dumpling thingies or y'all's kids or grandkids are into these things. Y'all already know, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Honey, we are out.
Can't focus on me.